What's up, guys? So today there's a couple things that I want to show you. For starters, I bought something for the car. Um, I'm also gonna show you some wheels that I'm working on, and oh no, I don't have it with me. But I bought some lowering springs for the car. So these, let me just tell you real quick. I had seen them online, and the original price for these are like in a $200 range. I don't know, for some springs. And I had seen some. I kept on browsing and just looking, and I saw some for like $60, and I was like, "Damn, that's good." So I put these in a cart, and I kept on looking, see if there was something different, brand or whatever, and I didn't find anything. And by the end of the night, I just left it like that. So a few days later, I get an email, and is that thing if I'm still interested in buying it, that they reduced the price, and I'm like, all right, from $60. I mean, let me check. So turns out they put them at $26 for the four springs for this car. So I was like, hell yeah, I gotta buy them. So I clicked buy, and they were due to arrive here like on the 6th, and today is the 2nd. So even UPS, I mean, totally outdone itself. So let me just show you the springs or the box because I haven't even opened it. So let me just get them down. They're still in the trunk. What, Max? Chemex, cabrón. All right, guys. So this is the box right here. Damn, that was threatening, right? Like, wow. This is the box. This one. All right. Well, the springs, the box or whatever. It's from B&G Suspension, and the guy who was selling these had another set of the same numbers on the springs, the same springs front and back, but those were like 269. I mean, compared to others, they're like almost the same price. So there's that model number right there. Or so let me just go ahead and start opening this. Sorry if the camera is a little bit shaky, but I used my tripod last night or the other night, so I can look at the moon. It's actually a telescope tripod. Just okay. Let's see, Mr. Mad Cheetah. Thank you for your purchase. Thank you for a great deal. Yeah, look at that. So these springs lower the car. I think it was like 1.8 inches, which is close to 2 inches, like an inch and 3/4, inch and a half, a little bit more than an inch and a half. So I haven't looked at the car yet, but I think those are the back ones or the front ones. Okay, yeah, these are the front ones. These are the bigger ones. So right now, the front one is more lifted than the back. So right here, I'll get a measuring tape later, but that's about a couple inches right there. You know, like about 3 inches. And over here in the back, right here is a little bit like closer. I'd say this one's about 2.5. So if I lower it, the 1.8, it should be like at least up to right here, which is close to the tire, but not enough to like hide it, to tuck it. So I don't know about having to, do the lip right here, bend it, roll it or whatever, put it in the oven. Yeah, so that's it for the springs on the car. These are gonna be for the back. So I'll definitely do a video of installing these things. I don't have the thing to like close down the spring. If not, I would install them already. But yeah, I mean, this was a good deal right here. I couldn't miss out, so I definitely had to buy them. So another thing that I'm working on are these wheels. These wheels, painting them with the spray can, orange, white orange. Okay, so these wheels, these are from an '04 Hyundai Tiburon. I'll probably post a video, just so you can see it real quick. This right here is an '04 Hyundai Tiburon. These are from a Tiburon 17s, and they used to be black, but of course I'm painting them orange. I've already painted one, and the way I took off the paint was using the aircraft remover, and on the black paint that it had, I just sprayed it all over, let it soak for a couple minutes, and I didn't even have to touch it. I just did it with the washing hose, like the washing hose. What's that? The garden hose. I just washed it off, and I'll put a little video of that too. But this thing works awesome. I didn't even touch the wheel. I didn't brush it or anything. I just, like I said, I just sprayed it, let it soak for a couple minutes, and then just with a little nozzle thing for the garden hose, but just with the water itself, it took out most of the paint. So this is where I usually work on whatever things I'm working on. So these are the wheels, orange. Just stand it right here. And, oops, this is it. Stay, stay. So that's the wheel. Let me take off. These are also new tires. I see some spots where the paint. That's not paint. It came with the tire. Even if you scratch it, yeah, that's part of the tire. This one right here is paint. Yeah, that one you can take off. But look at the wheel. It's different. It is way different. So I mean, I think it looks good. It's not even mine. It looks good. The orange. So yeah, so the tires are the Lionheart. I don't know. I don't know much of the tires just because I saw it right there. Right, right there. It's a 225 45 17. The wheel, I don't know how wide it is, but it's a 17. So I think the tire looks pretty decent, similar to what I have in my car. But yeah, guys. All right, so I'm not sure if that was it or not. There's another thing that I want to buy for the car, but let me see if I have it right here. Wait, wait. Where did I leave it? Okay, I got it. So here it is. This one, this one, my stepdad gave it to me, and my stepdad, like, he's a real cool cat, like, he's the one that runs the repair shop. So I go help him out, and he's real cool. He bought me this because he knows I want one for the car. So I guess he's check it out. Shazam! You can't even see what it is, right? Yeah. So yeah, I want one of these for the car because I don't know. I don't know. I just like it. Of course, not the size though. I want the full size. So yeah, I wanted to buy one like this for the car, and I think on eBay you can, they're universal, so on eBay you can find them for like $80 or something like that. And I wanted to get one. I don't know, just because, right? So, uh, so yeah, so he knew that I wanted to get one, so he bought one of these and he gave it to me. So that's pretty cool. But the one on eBay is like 57 inches or something like that, and it should fit in the car nice. You know, I don't know where I'm going with the car, but I want to do a couple things that, I haven't done. So one of those things is that wing. All right, so that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And another thing, we hit 100 subscribers, so, thumbs up for that, right? Um, if you're new to the channel, sorry, if you're new to the channel, I mean, I work on my car and I have a truck. It's a Silverado, so I'm just a guy that loves working on his vehicles, right? So don't we all? So this used to be lifted. My plans are now is just to like drop it. I'm still getting some parts, but I'm raising some little cash too. So whenever I do have some money, I usually spend it on the vehicles. So don't say nothing. Well, this is my '01 Silverado. Her name is Vexy, and she used to be red, and I turned her blue. Also, so it's been through a lot. I changed her. I made her so beautiful. This front end, she didn't have it. I had the original '01 front. I just put the whole HD, and the bed also. This bed, it's a step side. So this is a 1500 HD right here. So the HD 1500 has this uh, regular bed instead of the crew cab short. So I put a step side and it looks awesome. In town, there's honestly I haven't seen another one like this. So I mean it's very rare. You have to do it, and some people just it's just a truck to them. And to me, this is my Vexy. So I mean that's it, guys. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching.